What kind of hair that is in your head? You in my business? Don't do that. What it is?
What it is?
What's good?
Nigga in the cup.
What it is, yo? What's up? What's up? Can y'all just keep in touch? Hey you guys, it's your girl Molly, and I'm back at it with another video. It's an update video on this unit. It's a 180 22-inch water wig. It's from Amazon. Y'all already know that. This is a 7-month update review. I just wanted to come and let y'all know about the wig because I have a lot of wigs that I put on and I never reviewed. When I originally started this channel, I said when I review wigs, I was gonna come back and do a 3-month or 6-month update because I want people to spend their hard-earned coin, you know, on stuff that's worthy. Cause you know, I was spending.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked
You're
up.
not spending your money. Well, I am still spending my money because I haven't really been on YouTube like that. So I'm still spending my coins, sister. I linked the original video to this wig because I don't remember the price, but y'all know I rocks with Amazon. Like Amazon, if you want a wig to come in 2 or 3 days, Amazon. And I'm so, what can I say? I'm so last minute that I like my stuff to come in 2 to 3 days. That's just period. But I got a lot of stuff in the working.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Girl, no you don't. You always did it.
Oh my god. Wow.
Hey. Hold your horses, okay?
Fuck you think you talking to?
It's been 7 months and I feel like this hair still good. Now originally when I installed it, I did not like it because my stupid dum. So cut the lace on the wig, and I don't think I cut the lace on the wig head, which the wig head is not my size, so it just wasn't meeting up, and it just was a bunch of confusion. But all in all, I made it work. I cut more lace though. I did what I had to do. I finessed it like the finesse queen I am.
Okay.
And that was on it. But this not no, you know, whatever video. This just a update to let y'all know how this hair doing, how it's been. It's almost about to be a year. I didn't have this wig, and usually curly wigs I be having to throw them away because, like, baby girl, like they be having bald spots.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Girl, I don't want to be walking up the street, somebody say bald head, skittle diddle, ain't got no hair in the middle.
That's that French, that's that new.
Track scene weave, that's what you need. Lies, baby. Y'all ain't about to never do that to me. Lies. It's really supposed to be an update. Nah, if y'all think hair not gonna shed, baby.
Welcome.
Y'all think hair ain't gonna shed, especially curly hair, y'all is a damn fool. Just y'all need to be donkey of the day. Cause come on now, make it make sense. Like make it make sense. That's unrealistic. Curly hair is gonna shed.
What I said.
That's the hair that guys you gotta maintain the most. Like it's your real hair. Curly hair. Like come on now, make it make sense.
Okay.
After you wash your hair, especially for the people who got natural hair, after you wash your hair, what do you have to do after you get out the detangle it, right? Oh, okay.
Hell cares.
nah, hair gonna shed. But if it shed to the point where you could take the hair that just came out of that wig and make another one, baby girl, throw it away.
Just as I thought. Trash.
Period. You don't need that. Cause baby, you gonna be walking around with a big ass boy spot, and we not doing that. Yeah. So right now I'm just about to wet the hair up or whatever. Cause you know I'm giving. I don't know what I'm giving right now. It's big. I mean, I wish it was a full lace because I'll be able to put it in 2 pigtails, but we're not doing that. But baby, I look cute. Photo shoot right now. Anyways, y'all, I'm rocking with y'all. So rock with me. Like, I think I got out of the whatever because I felt like people really wasn't fucking with me. But I just feel like with YouTube, it ain't even about who fucking with you and who not. You just gotta go with your move and just stay consistent, and then it's gonna pay off. Cause nothing come overnight. And beginners rock with me because again, I'm not a professional, not a professional with the baby hair. Great value baby hairs around here. That's all I be giving. Great value baby hair. I mean, one day I'ma elevate to, you know, Kroger's or, you know, Walmart, Wally World, whatever. But as of now, we not doing that. I mean, tangling, this hair not really giving me tangling, but curly hair tangle. So, like, you know, in that back part, sis be looking like a bird's nest, and that's on period. Like, baby, don't put your hand back there, because if you put your hand back there, it's liable to get stuck. You're gonna be looking like the scarecrow in the back of my head off the Wizard of Oz. And if you don't want to do that, baby girl, stand back, be cautious, okay? So I feel like this is full, like the 180. I mean, I could say it's 150, but it probably be 180. Like, I'm sure hair done shit. It came out my brush in the last 7 months. But I love this hair, even though, again, my own fault for cutting off the lace. So, like, this part, it don't come down. Like, whatever. I can't glue it down. I just gotta finesse it because I didn't cut it on the wig head and it just didn't match up to me. So I finessed it. Y'all know a girl does what a girl gotta do. But again, enough of me rambling. Okay, enough of rambling. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna take 2 sections. I need to get that fancy one that everybody got. The drink about them or Monet. Girl, you don't know what you're talking about. Girl, I don't know. Anyways, we gonna spray. I need a 360 one, girl. I'm tired of this bootleg water bottle. Like, girl, elevate. Girl, you supposed to elevate it, like, with water bottles too. Like, the fuck? So, I was thinking about putting product in there, but I ain't gonna say I don't like. I really just like my hair just wet. If anything, I could put we're gonna take a brush. Girl, looking like pew alfalfa with these fly aways. Like, ew, y'all know we gotta do with that. Slick break, period. Stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button down below. I really be trying to just drench my hair. Like, when somebody, you know, in the summertime and you at them pool parties and the boys just throw you in the pool and you just be so wet when you get out the pool. Like, just if your wig didn't fall off. But, like, that's how I be trying to get my wig, because at the end of the day, baby, it's gonna dry up big anyways unless you put product on it. You see that? Y'all see that? I ain't getting no tangling. Your curly hair could never. The fuck? Y'all think I should add product or not? Yes or no? I'ma add this curl serum. Girl. Moisturizer fix. I don't even know where I got this from. I think my mama got this. And like, I feel like it's heavy on your hair. But it smells so good. Like, oh, it got me smelling like I just left out a coin. Did you miss me? You see me? I was about to get them flowers, so I had to get my handsy zandy Kara stick. Y'all thought I was about to say notebook. So you don't want to look like alfalfa with the little help poking up eye. This is my fake swoop. That's my fake swoop. When you don't want put all that spray and stuff. You see that glue? You see it. How that lipstick look? How my lipstick look? You wanna be on top? Girl, I really be thinking I was super out of that. Hi. Girl, I'm really cute. You see that? All in all, I'm gonna say this. I feel like you should purchase the hair off Amazon, especially if you're on a 360 wig. But I didn't take advantage of the 360, which I don't know why, because I wanted a higher ponytail. But since I messed up cutting the lace off, that it was a fail for me, a flop. But anyways, enough of that. We're not gonna indulge in the past, you know what I'm saying? I recommend this wig. I feel like y'all should purchase this hair. Like, it's good. I mean, it can have more parting. That's the downside. It can have more parting. But on the other hand, these girls are bomb. I mean, you're gonna get shading comes. But I will purchase it again if need be. I will purchase it again to do it right, if need be. So all in all, I get this hair. I get this hair a good 9. The only reason why I'm saying 9 is because they don't have enough parting for me. Space for me. That's it. And that's it. And that's it. I did my in this thing, you hear me? You already know. It's up there and it's stuck there. Everything litty, I know when it's hot. Till next time.